Why don't you need a garlic press in your kitchen? Sometimes in the kitchen, you don't want to take the easy way out. Here, for example, the garlic press makes our lives easier, but often spoils the food. In it, the garlic clove is divided into juice and a large amount of cake of an unpleasant fibrous consistency. This juice is appropriate, for example, in mayonnaise, where we need just a squeeze of garlic for an absolutely smooth consistency, but will add little to a soup or stew where garlic should be felt. So we'll have to sacrifice comfort and chop the garlic finely. So that the clove does not fidget on the board, it should first be crushed with the flat side of a large knife, so finely cut will be much more convenient. Yes, it is also important to cut the clove in half and check if there is a green sprout inside, especially if the garlic is not the first youth. This green core hides odor and excessive bitterness, so it is better to remove the sprout.